Hi, welcome to your full course where you will learn how to build the best workflow to book 10 demos by your sales team in a week, all in one tool. First, you need to start by building your prospect list. You can use various methods to create a list of potential prospects, such as leveraging LinkedIn, LinkedIn Sales Navigator, industry directories, or purchasing a database of leads. You need to centralize them all in one tool where you'll be able to activate them, Folk. One very convenient way is to use our Chrome extension to seamlessly import contacts in bulk from LinkedIn. Apply the filters of your choice in the LinkedIn search and add the results to Folk in one click. We will import the leads with their name, company name, job title, and LinkedIn profile. Once your prospects are centralized in your Folk database, you need to enrich them in order to find their emails to prepare your outreach. Use Folk enrichment feature to find the missing information on your leads, such as an email, a job title, or a company to get the most up-to-date data. Through our waterfall enrichment with integration with Drop Contact, Apollo, and Hunter.io, we maximize the results to find the most qualitative data on your contacts for you, all in one tool. Then, by leveraging Folk AI feature, you can further enrich your contacts to better qualify and segment them and to generate ultra-personalized content for your outreach. This way, you'll be able to personalize your messages to demonstrate that you've done your research and that you understand their pain points and needs. To leverage this data to generate personalized intro or icebreakers to your emails. You're now ready to conduct your outreach. Follow-ups are crucial during the outreach, as you should never stop at one attempt. You have 49% more chance to get a reply if using at least one additional follow-up. Persistence is key to increasing your chances of engaging prospects and securing your demos. For that, you can launch multi-steps automated sequences from Folk. In your first email, use the data you've leveraged on your contacts through variables to fully personalize your email. Make sure to clearly articulate the value and benefits your product or service can offer them. Include a link to book a demo directly in the email, for example, a Calendly link. Add 3 to 4 steps for following up if they don't reply to you. Increase your chances of engaging by creating a multi-sender sequence. Receiving an email from different people of the company will create more engagement towards your prospects. Keep track of your prospecting efforts and analyze the results to identify what is working and what needs improvement. For each step of your sequence, you can check in Folk the key performance metrics, such as the response and open rates, to improve future campaigns accordingly. In terms of best practices, you can consider a sequence to be successful if you add at least 5% response rate and 40% open rate. Finally, keep your pipeline up to date to know the number of demo booked, leads to contact, and your conversion rate. Continuously refine your prospecting strategies based on the insights gained from tracking and analyzing results. Experiment with different approaches, messaging, and targeting criteria to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of your prospecting efforts. By following these steps and continuously optimizing your approach, you can maximize the volume of demos booked by your sales team and finally close more deals.